That feeling in your gut? Sunday night, looking through your phone, scrolling through texts, searching through emails, digging through your paper notes. You know that lead's in there somewhere. That hot prospect from last week. That referral you can't afford to lose. That potential dream project. But where? Man, you know how this ends. Another lead lost. Another opportunity missed. Another project gone to somebody else. Just because you can keep track of everything in your head doesn't mean you should. Think about last month. How many leads came in? How many turned in estimates? How many became actual jobs? You're spending good money on marketing, paying for those lead services, investing in those ads, working those home shows. But it's like pouring water into a leaky bucket. The leads are coming in, the phone's ringing, the emails are flowing, but something's not right. Some leads just disappear. Some calls never get returned. Some opportunities just slip away. Not because you're not good enough, not because your work isn't quality, but because your prices are wrong. But because of the chaos. The everyday chaos of running a business, the constant juggling of tasks, the never-ending stream of demands. Listen to this. I met a contractor last week, Tom, 20 years in business, quality work. He's got a great reputation, spending $2,000 a month on marketing. You know what he told me? I'm not losing sleep over my prices. I'm not worried about my work. I'm losing sleep over lost leads. And that hits home. Because it's not just about the leads. It's about the ones you never even knew that you had. That call that came in during a job site meeting. That website form fill over the weekend. That referral who left a voicemail at dinner time. Just because you can handle leads the old way, doesn't mean you should. Think about your typical day. You're on a job site and the phone rings. It's a new lead, but you're in the middle of something and you can't talk right now. So they leave a message, or maybe they don't. Maybe they call somebody else. Say your spouse answers another call, takes another message, handles another interruption. Your crew needs attention and your current client has questions. Your supplier's waiting for a callback. And that lead, that potential project, that future client, drip, another leak in the bucket. How about those home show leads? You spent the whole weekend there and talked to dozens of potential clients, collected all that contact detail. But Monday comes, and jobs need to be run. Crews need managing. Estimates need doing. Those hot leads, they start cooling off. They start forgetting your conversation and they start talking to other contractors. Drip, drip, more leaks. But here's what nobody talks about. It's not just the cost of getting those leads. It's not the money spent on marketing. It's not just the time invested in home shows. It's the hidden cost, the real price you're paying, the true expense of those leaks. Every lead that slips away, that's not just one lost job. That's lost referrals, lost testimonials, and it's lost word of mouth. Every missed opportunity, that's not just one missed project. That's missed connections, missed relationships, missed growth. Just because you can keep buying leads doesn't mean you should keep losing them. Let me tell you about Mark. Similar business to yours, similar challenges, similar frustrations. He was spending big. Google ads, lead services, home show booths. Something wasn't adding up. The leads were coming in, the phone was ringing, the emails were flowing. But the jobs, the actual projects, the real revenue, not what it should be. You know what he discovered? It wasn't his marketing that was broken. It wasn't his lead sources that were bad. It wasn't his spending that was wrong. It was his bucket. All those leads he was paying for, they were leaking through the cracks, slipping through the chaos, disappearing in the daily grind. Until he got smart. He got got systematic, you got some help. Not with more marketing, not with more lead sources, and not with more spending, but with simple systems. A voice that answers every call, professionally, every time, never missing an opportunity. A system that captures every lead, organizes every contact, and tracks every interaction. A process that nurtures every prospect and follows up automatically, keeping opportunities alive. And you know what happened? His conversation rate doubled. His stress level dropped and his business grew. Not because he spent more on marketing, not because he bought more leads, and not because he worked more hours. But because he fixed the leaks, plugged the holes, and sealed the bucket. Just because you can keep working harder doesn't mean you should. Think about your business right now. You're good at what you do. Your work speaks for itself. Your reputation is solid. But those leads, those opportunities, those potential projects, they're slipping away. While you're busy on job sites, while you're handling current clients, and while you're managing crews, every drip, every leak, every lost lead, it adds up. Not just in dollars, not just in lost projects, not just in missed opportunities, but in time, in stress, in growth held back. Here's the thing about buckets. You can keep pouring in more water, you can keep buying more leads, you can keep spending on marketing, but until you fix those leaks, until you plug those holes, until you seal those cracks, you're not just wasting money, you're wasting opportunity, you're wasting potential. Let me show you something. That phone in your pocket, it can be more than just a phone. It can be your lead capture system, your opportunity manager, your growth engine. Those leads you're buying, they can be more than just contacts. They can be relationships, projects in waiting, future testimonials. That marketing you're doing, it can work harder for you, convert better for you, grow your business for you. While you focus on what you do best, running crews, managing projects, and building quality. The choice is yours. Keep pouring water into a leaky bucket, keep losing leads to chaos, keep missing opportunities, or fix those leaks, capture every opportunity, build real business value. This channel, these videos, these tips, they're about fixing leaks, building systems, and growing smart. Follow along and learn more each week. Let's build something better. Because your business deserves to grow. Your investment deserves returns. Your effort deserves rewards. Just because you can keep losing leads doesn't mean you should. More contractor tips coming every week. Subscribe to build something better. This is just the start.